Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you some of the activity books I have for my little one. He's 3 years plus. So basically these all books are for 3 years plus age. So let's get started with the first book here. It is a Dreamland publication book, activity Wipe and Clean and Write Again book. So it has these many titles here. I'm going to show you what's inside the book look like. So these are the basic pages. It's a wipe and clean book. So you can reuse this book and it's really very lovely book for 3 years of age. If your kid likes pre-writing and he's less than 3 years, you can use this book. So this is the book. You can see how colorful is the book. It has all sorts of activities. So yeah, this is my first book. Now I'll be showing you the second book. So this is also a Dreamland Publications book, kids first activity books. This one is a maths book, age 3 years plus. It has these many titles. These are so many titles. And if you can see, these are all 3 years, 4 years plus. These are 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, all age groups. It's written back. Let's open the book and see what's inside. How does it look? This is not a reusable book. So it's better to use pencil with this book. Very basic activities, very fun activities, and colorful book it is. So can you see here dots? So this is the book. Next is this one. It's also a Dreamland Brilliant Brain activity book. It's also 3 years plus. Can you see how colorful this book is? So vibrant, so lovely colors it has. So let's get started with the book. So basically it has approximately 4 activities at one page. But these activities are very basic. The child can enjoy it. So it has approximately, let's see, 292 activities in total. 292 activities in total. And in just 75 pages. It also has the different variations. If you can see, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, and 7 years. So this is the third book. Now I'll show you some of the sticker books here. These are very basic sticker books, very fun and colorful sticker books. So I'll show you the inside of the book. It's a playful fairies, room, fairyland, and these are the stickers we are using. So colorful, see. And the quality of the sticker is very nice. It's not that they won't stick or anything. They are very good. This one. These are the stickers. Every activity is a very different activity here in this book. Now I'll show you, I have shown you this earlier also. It's a key to practice workbook and it's very good for 3 years plus, though it's written age 4 to 7. But if your kid knows recognition of letters, it will be easy for them. So let's see what's inside. Just pardon our scribbling. We love scribbling. Yeah, if you can see all the objects starting with F and then F in cursive, and then you have to find all the F. And if you can see here, what you need to do is you have to find the letter, like an insect bit him on the lip. So the child has to find all the I's here. It's capital or it's a small, the child has to find it. and then trace it here. So this is our Key to Practice book. Now next I'll be showing you some of the Pegasus books we have. So these are the 4 books I have from Pegasus. One is the tracing book, and then the numbers book, patterns book, and then this is the coloring book. So we'll start with the tracing book. It's the tracing patterns book, so it has only patterns inside. Very simple, very basic, and very lovely. It's a wipe and clean book. If you can see, it has variations also. All the variations written are here. And now let's do the numbers book. This is the numbers book. I have shown you these books earlier also. If you want details of these books, how these books are, you can DM me and I'll tell you. And these are the other activities: pattern, coloring activity, numbers, capital and small letters and capital letters. And these books are really cheap. They are just ₹99. I really love Pegasus stuff. So yeah. Next is the pattern book. These are the patterns here: simples, intermediate and tough ones. All in this book, and they are very lovely. Not just the odd one outs. You have to circle like fun at the zoo. So circle the odd one out here. Like you have to circle which animal is not from the zoo. So it will be a butterfly. And then like this activity, you have to complete the missing piece. So the child has to find which one is the missing piece according to the color patterns. And then the coloring book is here. It's a car book because my kids love cars. So we have this car book. Very big cars to color. It's a very nice book. This is also from Pegasus. And now this is the last book we have. It's for age 4 plus because it has a little complex activities. It's from Learn with Fun. 500 fun activities it has. It's a jumbo book. So let's see what's inside. If you can see, the activities are here so that you can analyze the book. So these are the activities here. These are for a little grown-up kids, like more than 4 years of age. So yeah, it has these much variations here, if you can see. Yeah, and this is from Tricolor Books, and the price is ₹120. I bought all these books from Amazon, so I'll be linking the details in the captions. So yeah, these are all the books I have apart from the worksheets I make.